Hello, this is Ishwan. I don't know. This is my second channel, Pokishwan. It's not really like set and stuff, but to start, we're just gonna do Pokemon Sapphire Randomizer. I recently found out about this from my friend Dan. If you know my main channel from before, you must know about him. So it's just a normal randomizer. It's not like a Nuzlocke because we're just taking it easy. So, I've played through it a few times, like a randomizer, just a little. One time, the rival had a Torkoal with Thunder Guard, and that kind of sucked, but we're just gonna, I always like seeing what he has at the start here. He has a Kecleon, that's great. I will be using the spacebar, like emulators that speed it up and stuff, just cause, and stuff. There's also you can run inside of buildings like running shoes and stuff, so that's good. And I'm a girl. No, I'm not a boy. Boy. I'm not a girl, not a girl, not a girl, not a girl, not a girl. My name is, let's just be called Serena. For kicks and giggles, bring X and Y back. That was a good anime. Great for the best one. Some of them sucks, the anime. Games are like, some of the games are actually like really cool. Alright, I'm ready. We're about to become small. Let's go. Ching 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 ching. I like this scene. When I first played this game, I was like, can we walk in the truck? I'm like, oh my god, we can walk in the truck. I don't know why I wanted to walk in the truck. I never played as the girl that much. I have recently, but I didn't know you went on the other side. I was always on the other side because I always picked boy because I was like, I'm boy, but the girl character is cool because May is like great. May is the bae. Sorry about my mouse, it's kind of like shit. I'll try to put it like up there so you can't see it. Serena, your room is upstairs. There's no fletchling or I don't know, Talo murdering us. Hello, Machokes. Goodbye, Machokes. Let's set it to the actual time. So it is 8:04. Is this on 8? 6, 7, alright, no. Wait, no, I'm past it. 8:04, dang it, really fast. Am I in 8 yet? Yes, I'm in 8, okay. Alright, 8:04. I'm playing this Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everyone. Or Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. Happy holidays, happy vegan day. I don't know. You should make sure that everything's alright. Hold on, let's do fast text, please. Thanks. Alright, bye. Oh, your father's on TV. Great. That was easy. Okay, let's go see Brendan, my senpai. Come here, senpai, I'm coming to your house. Yandere Simulator actually had a beta back in, I think, like, whenever this was supposed to, like, 2003. Here's senpai. He noticed me. Oh my god, he didn't know I was a girl. He's like, hi, neighbor. Don't catch me, no Pokemon, you stupid white hat boy. I have a theory Guzma is Brendan, but he's not. But that'd be kind of funny. Because maybe he has, like, brown hair under that white stuff. It might be a hat, or it might just be his hair. Hey, little blue boy. Help me. Hello. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Who's our starter? I don't have enough following for you to choose mine, so I'm gonna choose 3, 2. Alright, we got Seadra, Slowbro, and Corfish. I just started up a new one a minute ago. Not a minute ago, but a while ago. And I got Swampert for a starter, and I was like, overpowered. I think I'm gonna go with Seadra. It's pretty sick. Alright, Poochyena. Alright, we got Spite, Volt Tackle, Present, and Minimize. Let's go for Volt Tackle. Crap, that's not very good, because it's not good. Okay. Hello, Chris Butch. I'm gonna skip these conversations. I also have it so, I believe, I'm not sure if I did it on this one. Oh, don't be that way. Fine. Fine, be like that. I'm definitely gonna need to, like, teach you new moves. Alright, we're gonna find a Surskit. Do I have any other good moves? Minimize with Spite Dude. Okay. I have no good moves, besides, like, Volt Tackle that'll hurt me. Present. Doesn't Present not work after a while? No, Present does work, okay. Oh boy. Hey, I don't know why they have no battles on this route. I don't like that. I guess it's good for like the newbies. Another Surskit. Oh boy, this isn't as crazy as my first one. There was like Suicunes and Celebies on this route. It was crazy. I also have it so every trainer has a themed like type team. So we don't have gym leaders like that have a fire type, a dragon type. So it's not like crazy. So then there'll also be like and all the trainers have random names and random like a bird keeper could be like a bug catcher, so it's not like bug catcher that has a rock team. It could be, I don't think it like goes with it, but it'll make a little more sense. I have a chance to. I'm not very enthusiastic, so Ralts! That's too normal. Too normal for me. My other one, there's Eevees on this route, but why is this the most normal randomizer ever? Alright, Goldfish, that's pretty weird. Present for you. Level 6, Seadra, let's go. Hitmonchan. Okay, present for you. Oh, I guess you can't do it if their HP's full? That's cool, I guess. I don't want to battle you. I think I might lose, because I have no health. A Huntail? Is that like water or something? Yeah, I'm on 1 HP. Let's go, represent 3. Oh, his name was Avionet. Okay. Avionet. That's a pretty weird name. It's on myself. I want the running shoes, Mom, so I don't have to use this stupid speed button that makes me like go 10 miles off. Okay, let's go. Come on, Pokedex. Yeah. If you're watching this, I'm assuming that you've already watched this. Wait, Serena, did you introduce yourself? Yes, I introduced myself. Alright. I got running shoes. I'll try not to use that stupid speed button. Alright, anything else? Then, oh, there we go. Let's catch it. Wait, no. Let's heal it. Mom, heal me. Talk to me backwards on the chair. Okay. It's a habit to use a speed button, but is this kid just shitting on a bush? Spin around again, sir. Okay, it looked like you're one of those like Game Boy people. Alright. Alright, can we find another Suicune? A Tyranitar! This is getting spicy. Minimize, I didn't want to do that. Volt Tackle, go! Oh. That's nice. Moonlight. Doesn't that heal? Okay, let's trash Minimize. How about that? Okay. I'll be doing that through battles just so I don't bore you. Hey, Suicune. Volt Tackle your ass. You did. Hey, that's pretty normal. That's not cool. Alright, I gotta heal this thing because all I can do is freaking belt tackle. And that's not cool. Alright, let's find something sick on this route. I got EVs before. 12 fish, cool, no. Clefable's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna see what else we have. Then I'll decide. Dunsparce is the dragon of time. Cutie Fly, that's too normal for this, though. I don't want that. Celio, now that's pretty sick. Fable again. Fable. I think I might go with the Fable, because I already have a water type. Yeah, okay, I don't want... Yeah, there's a few birds on this route, you know, like the normal, Tailo and stuff. Well, I killed it with a present. Celia, go away, you're fat. No offense to fat people. There's a green piece of crap. I don't care, give me the Clefables. Alright, it's giving me, like, green stuff. Alright, cool. Spiky fish. Clefable, what's up? Alright. Golden light. I don't know how to hurt this. Does this do? No, it doesn't. I can't hurt it because it'll die. So we're gonna be a little... Oh. It's the fairy Pokemon before the fairy type. We're not gonna... Should we name? I didn't name the starter. Let's name it Gengar just for gags. Gengar. Gengar. Pirates. Alright, we got us a Clefable. Let's look at summary. It has random abilities and random moves. Random items. Alright. Ooh, Meteor Mash, Aroma Beam, Sharpen, Tackle. With 5. It also has random PP, so you could get a really cool move with really high PP and a bad move like Tackle. And it gets 5 PP. Meteor Mash, I don't think it's supposed to have 20, so that's pretty cool. I already know. I don't want to see. All of these get, like, random. What's its ability? What's Gengar's ability? Ability, Natural Cure, heals. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's cool. Alright, what do you have? Same thing. So, that's great. Alright, let's go. I don't know how long we've been going until 8:04. It's been 10 minutes. I like to go pretty long. Alright, round 2. Let's see here. I've been really lucky with catching lately. I haven't, like, broke any ball. Oh! Stop. I don't want to do that. Present, 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 present. Moonlight. Wah! Present. Alright, what can we find here? Hitmontop doing some cool tricks. I don't care about you. An Apom doing some sick tricks. A Tropius. Can't find that till like after 5th gen. Okay, it's a freaking cat. Another Apom doing some sick tricks. A Wooper! What's up? It's like Dragonite, but not. Electric, too normal for me. Monkey. 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 If you know what that's from, you're cool. Ooh, Flygon. Oh, crap. Present. Present now. Yes. Go, Gengar. You got this. Alright. Tackle, go. Okay, he's asleep. Great, that's... Alright. Tackle's already out of PP, that's totally cool. Aurora Beam, go. Another magical leaf, that seems cool. Alright, it's gonna fail. Oh, we got it! We got a freaking Flygon. Alright, I'm gonna name it Frygon, because it's Asian. I'm pretty not racist. No, not a Frymon. Oh, we can make it a Digimon. Flymon. Yeah, let's make it a Digimon. Flymon. Oh crap. Flymon. Oh god, I'm bad at typing in this. Flymon, it's the new Digimon. I should name these all after Digimon, but I've already not done that. Okay. I need to check Aurora Beam, Meteor Mash. Oh, Gengar is dead. Aeroblast, Recover, Rest. Aeroblast, let's go. Okay. Alright, we're dead. Alright. I need to look at your stuff. Battle Armor blocks criticals, so no crits on you. And I saw your moves already. Alright. I need to not do this. Sit up. Sit up. I need to tell myself not to, because... Alright, let's send out Flymon. Alright. What else can we get here? I don't want to catch too much on all the routes. I think we've seen everything. Oh, I forgot I lost you. You're stupid. Alright. Magical Leaf, go. Oh. Okay. Okay. Present. That didn't do anything. Volt Tackle, go. Level 10. Oh, Flareon. Hey. Let's go back to town. Excuse me, do you know how to get to town? Go back the way you came. Okay, let's go. Train some mons. I don't like people that say mons. It's like, what happened? Alright, Cedra, Volt Tackle Dash. No. Okay. Oh, cool. Die of my presence. I'm a deli bird in disguise. Tropius. Die. Die of my wrath. Stop. How do you protect like that? Like, that's not legal. Jesus. 2 levels. Another one. Hello, brother. Okay, that one's kind of dumb. Rest in 4. Oh. Flymon level. Jesus, that's fast. Okay. Meowth. Die. Oh, damn. Oh, hello. Okay. You're a water trainer. You're going down in him. Politoed. Who are you training? How do you get a level 3 Politoed? Oh, Confusion. That's a good move. Let's trash Recover. I shouldn't have done that. I should have got rid of Rest or something. Whatever. Berries. And these are... Gotcha. I forget what they do. Okay. I'm curious. Heals poison. Okay. Sick moves, dude. I should probably give some attention to Gengar. She said cancer. What did she say? That's no preschooler. No, I didn't want to tackle. That's like not good for you. Oh, okay, he's dead. 9. Poison person. I like the themed thing better than just like random stuff. Alright, we're gonna go meet Wally. What else can we do? Oh, we're gonna watch Wally get a Pokemon, then we'll end it. Okay, great. Come on, Wally, let's go. It's not actually a Zigzagoon, which is kind of funny. Alright. Okay. He's got a Blastoise. Yo. Hook me up. Electabuzz. He's probably gonna kill it. Oh, never mind. It only knows Tackle. Kinda sucks. Fire Blast. Dude, that thing's gonna kill all the Venusaurs. I wanna see it kill it. Like, the Pokemon kill Electabuzz, but it won't. That'd be great. I wish you could, like, do that and, like, send your trainer out. But why do they take 2 years to select the things? Like, it's supposed to be realistic, so, like, sorting through your bag. Is that what it's supposed to do? Is this what we're trying to say? Oh, 100% catch rate Blastoise, am I right? I'd like to see that fail. Alright, let's chill with this kid. No, this dude, he's pretty chill. If you enjoyed this, comment what you thought. Subscribe to my main channel. There's not much cool stuff there, but it's worth checking out. So, I'll see you episode numero dos. So, adios, my friend. Yeah.